Yo everyone, welcome back to another amazing adventures on the hot rails of the KRR. Looky here, look what we got here. New crossings here at this crossing here. Now they're finally putting the crossing gates up. Which now, some people are not going to be happy when they come here. They won't be able to run it anymore like you've seen in my other videos. That's going to stop that. I don't know where they're going to put this box. They might move it over here, or they might keep it over there. Now, if you're still wondering, where's the old crossings at? They're right over here. We got a little bit of time. They're about a couple miles down the line. Alrighty. I like what they did here. This stuff they can actually reuse. This crossings here, they're still in contact, so I kind of think they're going to reuse the box, and reuse these crossings, and probably put them somewhere on the KRR line, that somewhere where it might need them. Especially if it's not a high trafficked area, they can use them on a less traffic highway. So that's probably what they're gonna do. They might put them somewhere back down the east of the line, or they might just take them west to a railroad crossing where it's not safe. Basically a high-low traffic area where it's dangerous for a car or a train, but it's mostly dangerous for a car because you can't see the train. Now, if I was gonna bet, they can probably take those crossings down there to where I live, where it's not where it's not very safe. Because technically where I go at, you literally have to look way out towards the tracks to see if there's a train. And if you know there's a train coming, you better get out of its way as quickly as you can. Those crossings right there would be perfect for that spot down there by the creek right beside the tracks. My friends know it as Poop Creek because it has nothing in it. That's what they call it, Poop Creek, because there's nothing in it. Which they've been trying to keep from being washed out. Now these are ungated crossings here. These can be reused. Everything's here. They can reuse that over there. They can reuse those lights. Everything. They can reuse those and put them somewhere at a crossing where it needs it. So that's probably what they're going to do. But we better get down here. Now, if you're wondering how are you doing this, I'm using my mom's selfie stick. I'll have to buy me a new one. I like those. There's a little scratch on the lens somewhere. It's probably on the zoom. Alrighty, let's come down here. Safe trend base. They're just right down yonder. They just put them in today. See the dirt stir up? They just put them in today. Okay, this is if y'all can tell me what type of name this is, maybe Webco or something. Tell me what name this is. This is a base, TCR base. I don't know what type of that is. This is a WC Hayes, a WC Hayes crossing arm gate. You can see right there, you can tell it's WC Hayes. WC Hayes railroad crossing signal, and WC Hayes automatic bail. Yeah, automatic bail. And same thing over here, twin bells. And here in the state of Oklahoma, roadways like this has to be gated off by federal regulations in the state of Oklahoma. By the regulations in Oklahoma, every any major highway like this has to have gates on it. Which technically this place has to have crossings because it's a high tracked area. This is on Highway 3. We're gonna look over here. Same thing. They just don't got the visors on them yet. They probably got them in their pickup trucks. That's probably where the new boxes are gonna go. I don't know. They might move it over there, or they just might keep it right there because there's a base for it still already for there already, and it's pretty much okay, good for it. And then here's the new crossings. This is the wire protection, keep the wires from rusting. And then there's still some wires just right over there that's you can just put back on, and it's good to go. And same thing, different base, but with WC Hayes on there, gates and arms and everything. The lights LED, and then the automatic bell, which people do not like, but I love the sound. But I love the sound of a mechanical bell. And then a WC Hayes crossbuck sign like that over there is. So this is gonna be pretty cool. I love it. I love when they have twin bells. And then you have the old signal base that's right there. Some of that is just right over there, just right there by my truck, just about a couple of feet back. Now I gotta decide where I'm gonna film, because they're gonna come through here and they're gonna flag this crossing down, because they can't blow through here because technically it's not a safe crossing for them to blow through here. They could, but they have to by railroad rules they have to stop the train, and the conductor has to get out and flag the crossing down. But it won't take my friends long. Ronnie Eddie, they'll be here in about a couple of minutes. They're going on the ash down. It's gonna be neat seeing some crossings here. It's gonna be different. Back when I was growing up in this area, those crossings were here back when I was here. So now any crossing that I know now is gonna be replaced with these. So the new generation, they're gonna be wondering, when were these put in? These were put in back in 2021. Yeah, back in 2021. That's when these were put into place. These crossings here are protecting the 2-lane road here in Hayworth, Oklahoma, and to keep people from like that doing that. So that's the reasons why it's going to be gated off, which technically it needs to be gated off. I mean, now those crossings, I mean, technically it does need to be technically these do need to be these needed to be new crossings here, and it needed to be gated off in the first place. But it didn't happen. But since the new laws in the state of Oklahoma that every roadway has to be gated off, especially 2 lanes, so technically it's going to work out really good. Here comes Ronnie and Eddie. They are coming. And those crossings right there will work for... See, here they come. Let's get over here. They're saying, "Marshall," with the horn blast. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Oh, I'm sorry about that. I'm using this selfie stick and I'm putting these ear deals in the end. But like I said, those crossings down yonder will be perfect for a small paved back road, especially in an area where it needs it, especially where it's dangerous. Those will work out just fine. I may ask somebody that they might know where they might do with those. But right now it's pretty cool seeing this happening. I've been waiting for them to put this in. Just leave me comments what this signal base is called, and tell me if it's just a updated name of some railroad crossing base or something. I'm always up to know about it. It probably might be a W.C. Hayes base, but I'm not for sure. So leave me comments below. Oh, nothing. How's y'all's day going? Not very good. on their way to Ashdown to meet up with the other boys so they can take the other train back and then take this one. Hey! Hey, kiamichi Freddy! There they go. Then those trains, then those engines are gonna go down to Hope, Arkansas and Ashdown for the other boys to use on the other end. And then the boys that's using the other trains right now will be going back for my friends here to take back to Hugo, Oklahoma to be refilled and reused down the line, down the west end or the east end. Oh yeah, on the west end or the local ride all the way to those places where I know. Well, hope y'all like this, everyone. Don't forget to comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and please help with my YouTube channel and support me. And I love it. And I finally got 8 subscribers now, and that's pretty good. And please like my videos and share it with everybody. And please be safe out there on the hot iron, on the rusty hot iron, or I know it as the hot rails of the railroad, on the hot rails, but here I call it the Kiamichi Railroad on the hot rails by Marshall Price. That'd be me. Blah blah blah. You can find me on YouTube. You can find me on Facebook. And I'm not on Twitter. I don't like Twitter. But you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, and you can mostly find me on YouTube. But I'm on Facebook, and I will apply. But I don't reply to any bad replies. I don't like those bad replies. Always keep those to yourself. But give me good replies and give me thumbs up on those. And please watch them, and keep watching, and please keep noted on notifications when I post one. And looky here, flag the crossing down with 2 flares to warn people that so they know that they're coming through the crossing. Alrighty, everyone. Hope y'all like this. Marshall out. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time. See y'all next time on another amazing adventures on the hot rails of the KRR, known as the Kiamichi Railroad on the hot rails. So, see y'all later. Marshall out. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, I would usually be out on the Queen Eastern Railroad. I'd mostly meeting them and Broken Bow, but they're not running tonight because of the train bridge that's broke. The train bridge is kind of broke down. It's been down for 2 days, so tomorrow it'll be up to par. So today they've been working on it yesterday and today, and then a little bit tomorrow, and then they're done. So they'll be done with it. So see y'all later. Marshall now. Thanks for watching. But I'll be out on the Queen Eastern Railroad on the hot rails by tomorrow night. See y'all later. Marshall now. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time on the hot iron, but I know it as the hot rails. See y'all later, everyone. Bye now. Man, I love the smell of flares and the smell of trains and other stuff, and I love smelling diesel fuel and stuff like that. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, that's my friends Brody and Eddie. I do say hi to them, and they do love it when I'm out here, and they don't like it when I'm not out here, so I'm sorry. I'm about to end this video. Marshall and I, thanks for watching. I was telling how they were doing and stuff like that, and I was just telling them how they were doing, and so my friend told me how I was doing. I was pretty good. So see y'all later. Marshall out. Thanks for watching, and see y'all next time. And don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. And please give me about 10. Give me 10 subscribers. Please help out my channel. Help my channel out. And give me some thumbs up on these videos, and help me get up to the big dogs out here on. Help me up get to the big dogs on the channels on these other railroads. Help me out and support me, and I'll see y'all later, and I'll make more videos. I will release them out tomorrow night and other stuff. Bye now.